Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the lower back machine at the gym. First, let's get you set up correctly. Adjust the machine's pad so your hips are positioned just above the pivot point. This ensures proper alignment. Next, firmly secure your feet under the foot rollers for stability. Finally, make sure your back is straight and your core muscles are engaged before you begin the movement. This foundational setup is crucial for a safe and effective workout. Now, let's talk about the movement itself. Begin by slowly lowering your torso downwards, maintaining a straight back until you feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings. Remember to keep your back straight and avoid any rounding. Then, powerfully contract your lower back muscles to raise your torso back up to the starting position. Focus on a controlled, smooth motion both on the way down and on the way up. This ensures maximum muscle engagement. To get the most out of this exercise and prevent injury, it's important to avoid a few common mistakes. First, never round your back, always keep it straight. Second, resist the urge to use momentum to swing your body up. The movement should be slow and controlled. Third, do not hyperextend your back at the very top of the movement. Stopping just before full extension protects your spine. Focus on form over heavy weight. Finally, let's discuss how to structure your workout and progress over time. A good starting point is to aim for 3 sets, with 10 to 12 repetitions in each set. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the resistance on the machine. However, always prioritize controlled, deliberate movements over lifting excessively heavy weight. Consistency and proper form are key to building a strong and healthy lower back. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.